YouTube Shorts have been blowing up recently and everyone is jumping on the vertical video wagon. I just recently made $750 in just a couple of days of uploading YouTube Shorts. Let's face it, the reality is you can put ads on these TikTok style videos and the CPM is like pennies, so it's just not worth putting time in them. Or perhaps you just don't want to be on camera. Well, worry not, because today we're going to find out how we can make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 a month using YouTube Shorts without showing your face, and there are a couple of ways to go about it.
Nice.
The first step is to create a YouTube channel, but in order to make a channel, you need to pick a niche. There are so many variety of niche that you can pick, and if you were to upload long form content, it's best to go with something that you're truly passionate about and that you can continue for a very long time. But since we're creating a shorts channel, you can pick anything you want, from beauty, finance, tech, to animals, or whatever. But here's a trick to blowing up. Why do people even watch shorts in the first place? Who are the demographics? Well, most people that I know that watch shorts just want to be entertained and mindlessly scroll through the videos. They're not there to learn or look up a guide on how to cook a lasagna. So I find that entertainment niche tends to do the best. You may ask, but I don't want to be on the camera and I don't know how to shoot videos. Well, that's why we can re-upload videos. Just check out all these channels that just edit and repost contents. Or better yet, you can go to YouTube and filter for Creative Commons to be able to repost without any issue. So for this video's example, let's just go with close call shark attack compilations.
Hello.
Usually funny or shocking videos do best on shorts, so just go to YouTube and search for the specific niche you're interested in, and we can filter Creative Commons. Now choose any video you find interesting. We can open the video, then copy the link and download. I have a paid software on my computer that I use to download these videos, but you can do them for free by just going to this website called Y2Mate. There are other websites you can find on Google by searching for YouTube to MP4. Once you paste the link in, it will save your video to your computer. For step 2, cut and shorten the video into a less than 60 seconds format optimized for mobile. If you're on a PC, you can download free video editing software such as DaVinci Resolve, or even Windows Movie Maker will do it. If you're on a Mac, you can download the same DaVinci Resolve or use iMovie. If you want, you could edit on your phone with any video editing app, but that would require you to transfer your downloaded videos to your phone, which is just another unnecessary step. But the best method is, if you don't want to even bother using any software, you can just use Canva on your browser to edit the video. It's totally free for our video needs. Once you go to canva.com and sign up, you can click on videos, then mobile video. From here, you have to import your video from the left, then zoom in to fill the entire screen. You can also try experimenting, leaving some space on the top or bottom to do some call to action, such as check the description. This will come in handy later. Here's the finished video.
Sharks are fearless and dangerous, but many people are fascinated by them, and for good reason.
Now you just have to download the video. Step 3 is to download the video and upload to YouTube channel. Honestly, this is the most simple step out of everything, and I've tested many ways of posting shorts, and it seems like YouTube does everything for you and you do not need to add any description. You just have to have proper title that relates to the video and include an emoji in there if you can. It's also optional if you want to put hashtag shorts in the title. Leave the thumbnail to be automatic and leave the description empty. From there, upload your video and you're done. Last step is to include an affiliate link in the comment section and pin it. Affiliate link is like a referral link which you earn commission when someone signs up to a service or a product using your link. And there are many ways to go about doing this, and there are many websites that you can sign up and earn money. Here are some of the list of websites that you can use. There are Amazon associates where you can promote a product that people can purchase through your link and you get a commission. There's also ClickBank, which has many of the top companies and their affiliate programs. Some of the categories of companies include business, entertainment, travel, sports, home and garden, and more. I'll include a full list of websites that you can check out and include in the link. For those of you who may be skeptical if this even works,
That just makes no fucking sense. I mean, it's just bullshit.
I recently earned $240 from promoting a link for my Webull investing broker app sign up, because whoever signs up with the link can earn free stocks, and I also get free stock as well. So it's pretty much win-win situation for both parties. And with the power of YouTube Shorts algorithm blowing up, you can get a lot of eyeballs on these affiliate links, which is free marketing. Now, earning money with affiliate marketing is one of the ways to make money, but did you also know you can get paid anywhere from $100 to $10,000 a month for getting views on your YouTube Shorts? You don't even have to be monetized to do this either. If you're interested, then you definitely want to check out this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.